Maharaj Krishnadev of Vijayanagar was stunned every time by Tenali Ram's wisdom. This time too, Tenali Ram surprised the Maharaj. Once Maharaj Krishnadev returned to Vijayanagar after conquering the neighboring kingdom and announced a celebration. The entire city was decorated as if it was a big festival. To make this victory memorable, Maharaj Krishnadev thought that why not build a Vijay Stambh in the city. To build the pillar, the Maharaj immediately called the most skilled craftsman of the state and handed over the work to him. As per the Maharaja's orders, the craftsman also started his work, and working day and night for several weeks, he completed the work of the Vijay Stambh. As soon as the Vijay Stambh was completed, the courtiers and the townspeople, including the Maharaja, became impressed by the craftsmanship of the craftsman. Pleased with the artisan's workmanship, the king called him to the court and asked for a reward. Listening to him, the craftsman said, "O Maharaj, you liked my work, this is the biggest reward for me. You just keep your kindness on me." Hearing the craftsman's reply, the king was happy, but he was adamant that he would definitely give some reward to the craftsman. Maharaj told Shilpi that he would have to ask for some reward or the other. After knowing about the Maharaja's wish, other courtiers present in the court started saying to the craftsman that the Maharaja wants to give you something with an open heart. You ask quickly. Apart from being an expert in his art, the craftsman was also self-respecting and intelligent. Shilpi felt that if he did not ask for anything, the Maharaja might get angry. If he takes anything, it will be against his self-respect and principles. In such a situation, after thinking for some time, the craftsman emptied the bag of tools he had brought with him, and while offering the empty bag towards the king, Shilpi said that as a reward, fill this bag with the most precious thing in the world. After listening to Shilpi, Maharaj started wondering which is the most precious thing. After thinking for a long time, the Maharaj asked for the answer from the other courtiers present in the court, including the royal priest and the commander. Even after thinking for hours, no one could figure out the answer to what should be given to Shilpi. On not getting a satisfactory answer from anyone, the king got angry and asked Shilpi, "What can be more precious than diamonds and jewels in this world? Come on, let me fill your bag with that." Listening to Maharaj, Shilpi shook her head in denial and said, "No Maharaj, diamonds and jewels are not the most precious in this world. How can I take that?" Coincidentally, Tenali Ram was not present in the court that day. After not getting any solution to the problem from anyone, Maharaj immediately ordered to call Tenali Ram. As soon as he received the message from the Maharaja, Tenali Ram immediately set out towards the court. On the way, the servant told Tenali Ram the reason for Maharaja's concern. As soon as he reached the court, Tenali Ram first paid obeisance to the Maharaja, and then greeted the other people present in the assembly. Seeing the Maharaja's anxiety, Tenali Ram said in a loud voice in the assembly, "Whoever wants the most precious thing in the world should come forward." Hearing Tenali Ram's words, Shilpi came forward and extended his empty bag towards Tenali Ram. Taking the bag from the craftsman, Tenali Ram opened its mouth, and after shaking it up and down in the air 3-4 times, tied the mouth of the bag. After this, Tenali Ram extended the bag towards Shilpi and said, Now you can take this bag, because I have filled it with the most precious thing in the world. The craftsman also bowed to Tenali Ram while holding the bag, and then taking permission from the Maharaja, picked up the tools and left the meeting. Seeing this scene, everyone present in the meeting was astonished. Expressing curiosity, the Maharaja asked Tenali Ram why, despite giving the empty bag to Shilpi, he went away without saying anything. Earlier, he had refused to consider precious items, like diamonds and jewels, as valuable. Seeing the Maharaja's curiosity and the question mark on the faces of the courtiers, Tenali Ram said, "O Maharaj, that bag was not empty at all, because it was filled with the most precious thing in the world, i.e. air. What could be more precious in this world than air, without which we cannot survive?" Hearing Tenali Ram's answer, the king became happy and started patting him on the back. Pleased with Tenali Ram's intelligence, the Maharaja, as a reward, removed a precious pearl necklace from his neck and made him wear it. Lesson from the story. 2 lessons can be learned from this story. First of all, self-respect cannot be bought with money. Secondly, the most precious thing in the world is air, whose value no one can pay. We get it for free, so we don't understand its value.